What's up, guys? First vlog on the channel. So today we're snowboarding in my woods because we got nothing better to do on a snow day. Got my GoPro on just in case we need to get some sick clips, you know. And talk to you guys when we get there. All right, guys, made it to the hill. So we're working right now. We got jump that's really bad because we're just kids that are trying to have some fun in the snow. And personally, this is my favorite part of the freaking, I don't know what we should call this. Guys, comment down below what we should name our hill here. So next part, we got a freaking pretty sick rail, if you ask me. Got a little jump onto it. We're not done yet. All right, guys. Me and Elliot about to go shred some stuff, so I'm gonna film some on the GoPro, and then we'll just go from there. So, all right, guys. Charlie, back with the camera again. I don't buckle the tap ones when I'm not on a real hill, because that's for noobs only. About to do a freaking train, so if you guys will excuse us, full shredders, don't fall in front of me, okay? Oh, you grinded a little bit. Oh, so did I. I got it. Oh yeah, Deacon. Oh my God. Thought my toes were gonna get cut off. All right. Okay. Round two. Send it again. Hey, you gonna do the train? You want me to go right in front of you? Not when you record both of those? I'll freaking hit you. No, I'll go. I'm hitting the rail. Oh shoot, guys. Okay, guys. Gnarly rail. I was considering doing 180 off that, but I was gonna eat it if I did. Stay back at the top of the hill. Okay, guys. About to hit the rail. No. It's very intimidating. If you've never snowboarded before, never hit a rail. So, oh yeah. Oh, sick grinds. What? I'm not. Basically missed the rail, but 180. Oh. Hey guys. Okay, guys. So back to Fritz Boy Vlogs. Okay, guys. Maneuver real fast and send it over this thing because it's pointless, but you know we're just gonna do it for fun. Going over the rail now. Oh, that was a sick grind, wasn't it, mate? About to hit the jump. Oh! Oh. Yeah, send it. Alright, guys. I'll just send it again. Because life's about sending things. Really fast just to show you guys what's happening. And then Elliot's gonna come down after me. See how it goes. Oh, oh my God, I almost fell, guys. Oh, I hit the rail, almost fell again. Ah, there's so much snow on my face. Oh my God. Elliot's sending it to see how he does. Come on, dude. Send. Oh. He took a fall, guys. Elliot, if you're watching this, guess what finger I'm holding up? Ha, I got you with that one. Elliott's coming down the hill on his butt, so better just go back up to the top. See what all fucking do.
Just take a look at the view, guys. Just perfect view.
Ready?
Let's go. Are you hitting the rail?
Yeah, come on.
Let's go, Sunny Digital. Sunny Digital. Oh, shoot. Tokyo trip, boys. I thought I was about to turn. I thought I was gonna go into your ditch, and then I kind of whipped it a little too hard, and then perfect. Yeah, I did. No, I don't feel pain, so if I ever were to like hit my head on this, I just walk it off, you know? Cause I'm freaking Superman. That's what they call me. Right, Charlie?
What?
They call me Superman.
They call me underwear.
What the?
Oh, my butt hurts.
From last night?
Funny.
No way, dude.
No way if Nash watching.
No way Nash is watching this. Full send. Are we running a train?
For the transgenders! Yeah, let's run a train, ready?
You go.
Get up here now. Get up here now.
Oh my God, Charlie. I'm about to pass you. Oh my God, I was about to pass you. I couldn't hit the rail.
Keep going.
I just sent it, dude. I was literally off of the freaking jump when we hit it. Pretty gnarly. No, I couldn't. I was like right by you.
I'm like, don't stop. Oh, shit, that's pretty sick.
Pretty cool, guys. Charlie's making a new ramp.
Guys, right here, it's just a complete disaster waiting to happen. But we're making do with our resources. Alright guys, Elliott's gonna send it real fast.
Do I hit the rail? I'm sending the rail. Oh yeah, we grinded that dude. Oh!
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Hit the corner. 180! Oh my goodness! I sent it! Oh my goodness. Actually, I've never done 180. Alright guys, my turn, boys. Missed the rail. Gnarly rips. Oh, here's Charlie coming. Let's go. That's it for the vlog, guys. You know, changing our name from Flitzboy Vlogs to FS Vlogs, Fritz Center Vlogs. So, you know, hope you enjoyed the video. There will be many other videos coming soon.
Guys, make sure you stay tuned for new uploads every day we decide to upload.